Hello everyone, my name is Akash Dikshit. Today is 19 October 2021. So today we discuss about the features of the Java. Firstly, what is the Java? So basically Java is the class-based high level object-oriented programming language which can developed by the James Gosling. So the Java language have more features. The first important features is the Java is the object-oriented programming language. It is the platform independent language. There are some features are there. First is it can be simple. It is a simple. Second is it is a portable, dynamic, distributed, high performance, and the robust. First we can see the simplicity in what is the simplicity in a Java language. The Java language it can be the Java language it is very easy to learn, and its syntax is very simple, and it is the clear and easy to understanding. Because of the Java syntax, it can be depend upon the C++, and the programmer can be easily understand and learn the Java language after the C++, because it is the Java syntax is as a similar as the C++, and the Java language there is no need to remove the programming Java do not need to remove the under reference object, because there is the garbage collection in the garbage collection are present in a Java, because it is when we can remove the under reference object, it can be automatically goes to the garbage collection. Second is the portable. The Java language it is the portable because it can have the facility to carry the bytecode, and which can be run at any platform, and it does not require any implementation. Second is the dynamic. The Java language it can be dynamic because it can support the loading of the class. It can support the dynamic loading of the class. It means the class are loading at the demand, and it also support the functionality of its native language, like as the C and C++. The Java support dynamic computation and the automatic memory management, that is the garbage collection. The next is the distributed. The Java language it is a distributed because it can have the facility to create the distributed application in a Java with the help of RMI and EJB are used to creating the distributed application in a Java. The Java language it can able to access the files by the calling the method from any machine on the internet, from any machine on internet. So next is the high performance. The Java language it can be very high performance because the Java language it can be faster than any other traditional programming language. So because the Java bytecode can be enclosed to the because of the Java bytecode can be the close to the its native code. It is still a little bit smaller than the compiler language. The next is the robust. The English meaning of the robust is the English meaning in a English language. The robust meaning means very strong. the Java language, it is robust because it can use the strong memory management, that is the garbage collection. The Java can provide the security. It means the Java can use a lack of pointers that can used to avoid the security problems. Next is Java can provide the automatic garbage collection. At the runtime, we can use this garbage collection whenever the under reference object can be created. It can be automatically goes into the garbage collections.